Hey guys, welcome to another episode of New Brew Review, brought to you by the Hoppy Craftsmen. This series is basically people from the craft beer community trying a new beer that they've never had before, and then sharing that experience with you. So sit back and relax and enjoy the review.
What's up, guys? My name is Paul, and I'm your host from Sons of Suds, and today we're doing something a little different. My buddy over at the Hoppy Craftsmen podcast, Chris, dared me to try a new beer, make a video of it, and share it with him and you guys. So that's what I'm doing today. So I went down to my local Kroger, and I picked up myself my own six-pack, and this caught my eye. Now, this is Smith & Forge, and it's a hard cider. Okay, it's 6%, which caught my eye as well because usually ciders are a little bit lower. I love their artwork that they got here. Let me just zoom in on that. And I like that they started. It's made strong. It's a 6%, like I said, and it's keeping things in the tradition of keeping things strong. Now, myself, the reason that I like and I want to try this, I've never tried this beer before. I have tried other ciders. And myself, I'm a big whiskey barrel-aged stout or porter man or barley wine. So that's my dog. So when I saw that, I saw this cider, I was like, I got to give this a whirl. So, cheers! Welcome to a Sunday segment with Sons of Suds, and cheers to Smith & Forge for their hard cider. Let's give it a whirl. Now, these guys started in 2014, and they're located in Memphis, Tennessee, and their apples come from Washington. So, cheers. Very smooth, very crisp. Hear that crisp right out of the can there. All right. Cheers. Oh, this is good. This is really good. That made me stop for a second there. This is delicious. Wow. You can definitely taste the apples. It's got a little bit of a sour thing, a little sour zest there at the end, but very, very, very smooth. And definitely dangerously delicious. So, Paul, Sons of Suds, the Hoppy Craftsmen podcast. Check them out. Awesome podcast. And to Smith & Forge. Cheers. Thanks, guys.
Hey, thanks for listening to another bonus episode of the New Brew Review by the Hoppy Craftsmen podcast. Make sure to check out details for this episode's guest reviewer in the description below, or actually on our blog at hoppycraftsman.beer. You can find us on Instagram at hoppycraftsman and Twitter as well at the same username. The raddest people in the world are our patron supporters: Cena Gomez, San Diego Beer Talk Radio, Mark Ballesteros, Javier Gonzalez, and our newest one, Phil Mitchell Wall. So thanks for all of them and all they do to help support the show and keep us doing what we're going to do. If you would like to become a supporter of the show as well, you can go to patreon.com/hoppycraftsman. And we have some good stuff there for you guys. So until next time, I'm Chris. Go drink local.